So this example, we change angles that are given to us in degrees into angles measured in radians. And to do that, we're going to use this formula. The angle in radians is equal to the angle in degrees multiplied by pi over 180. So, knowing that, then we're going to say for the part A, our angle is 50 degrees. So what we do is we take 50 degrees and we multiply by pi over 180, and the zeros will cancel out because it's multiplication. There's no addition or subtraction involved here, so cancelling is allowed. And the zeros cancel, and you're left with 5 pi over 18 radians. Okay, so what we're saying here is that 50 degrees, an angle that is measured as 50 degrees, measures 5 pi over 18 radians. It's the same angle. It's the same size of an angle, just measured with a different unit. It's like changing between centimeters and inches. Okay, so B, the second one was 120 degrees. So if we go with 120 degrees, that's 120 multiplied by pi over 180. Okay, and again, zeros will cancel. It's lovely to be able to cancel zeros. So that gives you 12 pi over 18. But we can divide top and bottom by 6. Okay, if we divide top and bottom by 6, we get 2 pi over 3 radians. Okay, so 120 degrees is equal to 2/3 pi radians, or 2 pi over 3 radians. Okay, very simple. Just to change degrees into radians, you multiply the degree measure by pi over 180, or multiply by pi and then divide by 180. Okay, thanks for watching.